Romania, a country known for its medieval castles, enchanting forests, and scenic landscapes, is a haven for travelers seeking both history and natural beauty. While places like Bucharest and Brașov are popular with tourists, Romania is also home to lesser-known villages that offer authentic experiences and a deeper connection to the country's traditions. These hidden gems provide a peaceful retreat from the crowds, offering a chance to explore Romania's cultural heritage and spectacular landscapes. In this video, we'll uncover 10 of Romania's top hidden villages that are worth visiting. Let's discover these hidden treasures together. Number 1. Viscri, Brașov County. Viscri, located in Brașov County, is a picturesque village known for its well-preserved Saxon architecture. The village is famous for its fortified church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which dates back to the 12th century. Visitors can stroll through the cobblestone streets, surrounded by traditional whitewashed houses with colorful doors. The village is also a place to experience authentic rural life, with local artisans producing handmade crafts such as woolen textiles. Viscri is an excellent destination for those looking to immerse themselves in Romania's medieval heritage while enjoying the tranquility of the countryside. Number 2. Măgăuța, Maramureș County. Măgăuța, nestled in the Maramureș region, is a serene village where time seems to stand still. The village is known for its wooden churches, which are part of the UNESCO-listed Wooden Churches of Maramureș. The surrounding rolling hills and lush forests provide a peaceful atmosphere perfect for hiking and exploring. Măgăuța offers visitors a chance to witness traditional rural life, with locals still relying on farming and livestock for their livelihoods. The village also hosts vibrant festivals where visitors can experience authentic Romanian music, dance, and cuisine, making it a hidden gem for cultural explorers. Number 3. Cinca Veche, Brașov County. Cinca Veche, located in Brașov County, is a village steeped in mystery and charm. The village is home to the Cinca Veche Monastery, a place of spiritual significance carved into the cliffs. The monastery offers a tranquil environment perfect for those looking to escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Visitors can explore the surrounding forest, hike up to the monastery, and enjoy panoramic views of the valley below. Cinca Veche is also famous for its mystical energy, attracting those interested in history, spirituality, and natural beauty. Number 4. Răzănari, Sibiu County. Răzănari, located near the historic city of Sibiu, is a traditional Transylvanian village that captures the essence of rural Romania. Known for its wooden houses, cobblestone streets, and stunning mountain views, Răzănari offers visitors a glimpse into the past. The village is also home to the famous Răzănari Festival, which celebrates local customs, folk music, and dances. Visitors can take part in traditional activities, such as sheep herding, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings and fresh mountain air. Răzănari is a perfect destination for those wanting to experience the authenticity of Transylvanian culture. Number 5. Baia Mare, Maramureș County. Baia Mare, situated in the northern part of Romania, is a hidden gem known for its blend of history and nature. The town is surrounded by picturesque landscapes and offers easy access to the nearby Vacer Valley, which is famous for its scenic train ride through the forested mountains. The village's rich cultural scene includes traditional art and crafts, which visitors can purchase as souvenirs. Baia Mare offers a great mix of rural tranquility and cultural discovery. Number 6. Albac, Alba County. Albac, a quaint village in Alba County, is situated in the heart of the Apuseni Mountains. The village is known for its natural beauty, with crystal-clear rivers, dense forests, and rolling hills that make it a perfect spot for nature lovers. Albac offers visitors a chance to explore local traditions, including the production of smoked cheese and the practice of traditional farming techniques. The nearby Scarăsoara Cave, one of the largest ice caves in Romania, adds an element of adventure for visitors. Albac's peaceful atmosphere and scenic surroundings make it a must-visit for anyone seeking a tranquil escape. Number 7. Cisnădi, Sibiu County. Cisnădi, a charming village in Sibiu County, is a hidden gem in the heart of Transylvania. The village is known for its beautiful fortified church, which dates back to the 13th century and stands as a testament to the region's rich Saxon heritage. Visitors can explore the narrow streets lined with traditional houses and enjoy the surrounding natural beauty of the Făgăraș Mountains. The village also hosts local events, where visitors can experience traditional Romanian crafts and cuisine. Cisnădi is the perfect destination for travelers looking to discover a quiet, historical village with a rich cultural legacy. Number 8. Gura Humarului, Suceava County. Gura Humarului, located in Suceava County, is a charming village surrounded by the stunning landscapes of the Bukovina region. The village is famous for its proximity to the UNESCO-listed painted monasteries of northern Moldova, including the renowned Voronezh Monastery. Visitors can explore the area's natural beauty, including the nearby forests, mountains, and rivers. Gura Humarului also offers a glimpse into traditional Romanian life, with locals continuing to practice customs passed down through generations. This village is ideal for history enthusiasts, nature lovers, and those seeking a peaceful escape. Number 9. Vama, Suceava County. Vama, situated in Suceava County, is a quiet village that offers an authentic rural experience in the heart of the Bukovina region. Known for its traditional wooden houses and the surrounding picturesque landscapes, Vama is an ideal destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of urban life. The village is close to some of the most famous painted monasteries in Romania, including Suceava Monastery. Visitors can explore the rich cultural heritage of the area while enjoying local delicacies and participating in traditional activities. The village's peaceful atmosphere provides a perfect retreat for travelers seeking serenity in nature. Vama is an ideal spot to connect with Romania's rural traditions and its rich spiritual history. The stunning landscapes of this village make it one of Romania's most peaceful hidden gems. Number 10. Munteul Mic, Caraseverin County. Munteul Mic, located in Caraseverin County, is a hidden gem in the Banat region of Romania. The village offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and is a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. The area is also known for its rich wildlife and pristine forests, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Munteul Mic is perfect for those seeking a peaceful getaway in a remote setting, where they can relax and enjoy the beauty of the mountains. Visitors can enjoy peaceful walks through the forest and reconnect with the natural world. Munteul Mic also offers a unique chance to experience traditional rural life, with welcoming locals and rich cultural heritage. These 10 hidden villages across Romania offer a unique opportunity to explore the country's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. Whether you're interested in history, tradition, or simply enjoying the serenity of nature, each village provides a distinct experience. From the medieval charm of Viscri to the peaceful landscapes of Munteul Mic, these hidden gems showcase Romania's lesser-known treasures. If you're looking for an adventure away from the crowds, these villages are the perfect destinations to uncover the authentic soul of Romania.